In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a DocuSign template. First, open your browser, go to DocuSign and sign in. Make sure your account has permission to manage templates. If you're part of a team account, an admin might need to grant access. Once you're in, head to the top menu and choose Templates. This page lists all the templates you've created or that are shared with you, so it's a great place to search by name or scan the list to find what you need. When you spot the template you want to change, click its name, or use the pencil icon to jump straight into editing. From here, you can update the documents that power the template. If the underlying form has changed, upload a new file to replace the old one. You can also attach additional documents, like a separate disclosure or instructions, and rearrange the order so signers see everything in the correct sequence. By the way, because this is a web-based workflow, I've placed a direct link to DocuSign right at the top of the description so you can get there quickly and follow along. Next, review the recipient roles. Roles like signer, approver, and CC determine who can sign, who only reviews, and who just receives a copy. Add roles you need, remove ones you don't, and give each role a clear name you'll recognize later, especially if multiple people sign in a specific order. Click next to open the tagging area, where you manage fields. Here, add signature or initials fields. Move existing fields so they line up with your document, and delete anything unnecessary. Most importantly, assign every field to the correct recipient role. Double-check assignments. A field linked to the wrong role is one of the most common causes of delays. Before you wrap up, look over optional template settings. You can tailor recipient notifications, set an envelope expiration date to keep things moving, and control access to attachments or optional documents if you want to keep certain items visible only when needed. When you're satisfied, click Save. That applies all your changes and updates the template for future use. The next time you start an envelope with this template, your revised documents, roles, and fields will be ready to go, saving you time and reducing errors. Remember, changes to a template affect new envelopes going forward, not ones already sent. For teams, maintain a clear naming convention and description so everyone chooses the right template. If you use shared access, verify that the template is shared with the correct groups. Thanks for watching.